Hi guys, welcome to lesson 7 of the 7th grade worksheet, and today we're going to be learning about distributive property and simplifying expressions. So, distributive property, I like to use the fire hydrant method. So we have a variable outside of the parentheses, and inside the parentheses there's like numbers, like that for example, and the number or variable outside of the parentheses is the water, and inside the parentheses are the houses on fire. So we have to spread each of the water to the houses in order to get rid of the fire. So let's look at question number 1. We have 3 parentheses 4 plus 5 parentheses. We have to apply the 3 that is outside of the parentheses and apply it to each number inside the parentheses. So 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. Add those together and we get 27. Number 2, 5 parentheses 2 plus 6 parentheses. We have to distribute the 5 to the 2 and the 6. So 5 times 2, 10, plus 5 times 6, 30. That is equal to 40. Number 3, 2 parentheses 3 plus 7 parentheses. We're going to distribute the 2. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 7, 14, and we get 16. 20. Number 4, 4 parentheses 5 minus 1. This one's a little different because we have a subtraction sign, but it's okay. It works the same way. So 4 times 5 is 20 times negative 1. So 4 times negative 1 is equal to negative 4. That's 20 minus 4, that's 16. Number 5, 6 parentheses 2 plus 4 parentheses. So we have to distribute the 6 to the 2 and the 4. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 4 is 24. And we get 36. And now you guys are going to work on questions 6 through 10 on your own. In part 2, we're going to be simplifying distributive properties. And we have variables this time. Let's look at question number 1. We have 3 parentheses x plus 4 parentheses. This still works the same way. We distribute the 3 to the x and the 4. From previous lessons, we know when we're multiplying a variable, the variable just comes down with the answer. So 3 times x is equal to 3x because when a variable is by itself, there's secretly a 1 in front of it. So 1x is the same thing as x. So 3 times 1x is 3x. And we do 3 times 4, that's 12. And that would be the answer. And we can't go any further than that because 3x and 12, they are not like terms. Number 2, 5 parentheses 2y minus 3 parentheses. We're going to distribute the 5 to 2y and negative 3. We're going to multiply the 5 and the 2, which is 10, and then just drop down the y, and then do 5 times minus 3, which is negative 15. And once again, that's the answer because 10y and minus 15 are not like terms. Number 3, 2 parentheses 3a plus 5 parentheses. Distribute the 2. That's 6a, and then times 5, 6a plus 10. 4 parentheses 2b minus 1 parentheses. We're going to apply 4 to the 2b, which is going to be 8b. And then 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. It's super simple. And now you guys are going to work on 5 through 8 on your own. Part 3, we're going to be working with word problems. Let's look at question number 1. A pack contains X pencils and 4 extra pencils. If there are 3 packs, how many pencils are there in total? We know that in a single pack, there are an X number of pencils and 4 extras. That means we're adding 4. And that is just 1 pack. But it says there are 3 packs. Then we're going to change the 1 to a 3. Because in 1 pack there are X pencils and 4. And if there are 3 packs, we have to change the 1 into a 3. And we just distribute from there. 3 times X is 3X. And 3 times 4 is 12. And that is the answer. Number 2. Sarah bought 5 bags of apples. Each bag has Y minus 3 apples. How many apples did she buy? So she has 5 bags of apples, and in each bag there is Y minus 3. Parentheses, Y minus 3, because this much Y minus 3 is in 1 bag. But there are 5, so we're going to distribute. 5 times Y is 5Y, and 5 times minus 3 is negative 15. And that's it. And you guys are going to work on 3 and 4 on your own, and I hope this helped.